Prime Minister Modi earlier in the day visited the temple. It is now the turn of Rahul Gandhi to visit the temple. In fact, we can see in the visuals that we are getting that it's Akhilesh Yadav actually sitting there with his wife Dimple Yadav, who's also actively taking part in the campaigning this election season. Prashant on the phone line. Prashant, Darshan Politics. In fact, Prashant is joining us live. And Darshan Politics is taking precedence now on the front in Uttar Pradesh.
And what we are seeing today is a soft bit of polarization. We saw how Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to temple in the morning after his roadshow, and now what we are seeing is Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav. They are also now going to temple. In fact, they are in the temple. So these are the parties that had started the poll campaigning on the name of development. But what we are seeing today at the penultimate phase, now almost the penultimate phase, the voting for the sixth phase has ended. But what we are seeing today is a last-ditch effort of all these political parties, and also a soft bit of polarization right before the final phase, because Eastern UP, including in the last phase, Varanasi will go to polls, which is a very key constituency as far as the BJP is concerned. So all the parties, none of them are leaving anything unturned to ensure that it's their party that comes to power. But now also there's a big controversy that has come up. Congress has in fact approached EC to, and have sought an FIR be filed against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because the Congress feels, and the Congress has said, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not have proper necessary permissions to carry out a roadshow here in Varanasi.
Well, in fact, earlier in the day, of course, Prashant, it was Prime Minister who was at Kashi Vishwanath. Now we can see in the visuals what we can spot is, of course, Akhilesh and Dimple. What about Rahul Gandhi? Is he also there? Is he also expected to join them?
Certainly go there, because remember in the morning it was Rahul Gandhi himself who had come out and tweeted that I will be going to Kashi Vishwanath temple. So all of us are in fact expecting Rahul Gandhi to go in that temple after Akhilesh Yadav and Dimple Yadav, and one should be able to see Rahul Gandhi pretty soon, because it was Rahul Gandhi in the morning who had tweeted that he would be going to temple for the puja.
All right, and of course it doesn't end here, Prashant. We've seen today it was a political sizzler in Varanasi, and that is expected to continue tomorrow as well. Give us a sense of what the big guns are going to be doing tomorrow.
Tanvi, after the Super Saturday here, it's a Super Sunday lined up tomorrow also, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that he would be carrying out a mega roadshow tomorrow. And today the BJP, all the BJP leaders who I was speaking with, they said that it wasn't a roadshow that is being played out in the media. It is tomorrow that the roadshow will begin, and tomorrow the Prime Minister would be carrying out a 7-kilometer long roadshow at 3 p.m. And that would be a gala affair, as we are given to believe, because the entire party cabinet, the entire top leadership of here, including the top campaign managers of the BJP, are camping here in Varanasi, and it is expected to be a grand affair tomorrow. But then again, Varanasi has now become the center of entire UP politics. Entire focus of UP politics towards the end of voting has now shifted to Varanasi, where all of us will see all the actions happening right here in this temple town, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi leading the show for both BJP and Samajwadi Party Congress alliance.